easy to like spill.
Explain the game. Explain the game.
Go. The viewers can know.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we have this cup of water. We're gonna put it in our mouth and we're gonna stare at each other. The first person to laugh, like, will spit it out, obviously, because they're gonna laugh.
I think I should be on that side. Let's go. I'm excited.
No, okay, wait. Let's stand in a line and let's pass it down.
I think we
How
should.
about let's not look at each
we should have
other
a measuring
and then take a drink, measuring, and then we turn around and look at each other.
This video is not even gonna keep recording. How long can it record for?
I don't know, however long it says. You guys will have like 100 times.
A S T B. She's getting loopy. She's getting loopy.
Oh god. Okay, here.
Are you joking, Michael?
Put it in
Just
here.
no,
Put it
Michael.
in
Just
here.
drink it. Just.
Okay.
No, can we not look at each other? Because I'm gonna like spit out
No,
what you're
turn
making.
around. Turn around. Okay, and pass it to Katrina. No.
Wait, we have
You
to
are
face.
there because you
Don't
laughed.
face each other until we all have the water. So Jessica tap us when tap us. This is not gonna be good.